Good morning, everyone. I wanted to give you something kind of pretty to look at. Here's my espalier orange tangerine tree and its sister espalier plant that is actually starting to bear fruit this year. I planted it last year and it needed a little time to get established, but it's going to be great. It's raining this morning. I wanted to touch base because I won't be able to post a full episode today, but I will be able to do that next week. I'm working on getting the whole entire bedroom of this rental cottage together so that I can show you all in one what that vision looks like. But I have to get in there without all of the equipment to kind of really wrap my head around the design. So next week I'll be able to show you what I have been doing in the bedroom, and so we'll see each other next week, okay? Okay. Have a great weekend. Bye, guys.